how to use the microphone? Do you know how to use the microphone?
Hey guys, it's Alexis. I'm wearing all this weird stuff because I'm filming from my iPhone, and I have this recording the audio separately. I don't have to do all this, but I think it's silly, so I'm gonna do it because that's what I do. But anyway, I sold my camera. That's why I'm filming on this. I sold my camera. I have a new one coming this week, so don't worry about it. The new camera's coming. It's just an updated version of what I had, which I used to use the XT2. I just bought the XT4. If you're interested in the details, let me know. I'll make a video on that. All right. So this year, 2021, I want to focus and hone in on my business, not the YouTube side per se, because that's going to be organic in what I do, but focus on what sells the most, what is my niche market, and focus on that. Right now, I'm basically operating on organic traffic. I don't really push that much my business, and I think I need to step it up this year. And I'm not complaining, by the way. I like the pace of 2020. The pace was good. I made enough. I was satisfied. I had time for my family. That's important to me. You know, that's super important to me. Enough work to keep the boys busy in here. But I think this year I want to step it up. So I'm going to focus my business on what sells. Basically, fire department suspenders, radio straps, but also in the civilian side, non-firefighter suspenders, gentlemen suspenders, groomsmen suspenders, suspenders for arborists, guys that work in trees that want to keep their logging pants up. I had a couple of those orders already. There's another guy that he's a long-time watcher, subscriber, which if you're watching, thank you very much for your business. But he's a Santa Claus, and he wanted this really nice, suspenders. Basically, my suspenders that are modified. I actually made a video on it. I'll put a link right here. It was a heavy-duty suspenders. So I did that. I made a prototype. It's basically what I do now, but with a different attachment in the bottom. So I think I need to hone in on that. I think the suspender game, that's kind of my thing. So I'm going to work on that. Part of this video as well is this last 2 weeks, I really was playing with different leather. You guys don't see that because I don't post everything that I do in my shop. But I bought different leather from Wicked and Craig. I'm trying their new Latigo. This is all English bridal, and it's basically all the colors I offer currently. But what I'm doing now, I'm switching it up. I'm going to be using their new Latigo. I've made my own pair of suspenders and radio straps. I put them through hell to see how they operate and how they break in, and I absolutely love it. All right, so I did trial and error on my own set, and I loved it. I love the patina. I love the way it feels. So I'm moving to new Latigo, Wicked and Craig. That being said, I have all this here, and I need to know what to do with it. All right, so that's where you guys come in. Here's option number one. Option number one is cut them in straps and sell them individually as a strap, way cheaper than you get them anywhere else. I know Buckle Guy does Wicked and Craig English Bridal straps, and I don't know, they're like $13 a strap or something. I could do them cheaper. I can't give this stuff away. I need to at least break even or make a little money to recoup some of the large expense I just made today with Wicked and Craig. I mean, I made a large purchase. I'm not going to get into the details, but it was stupid. This is all English Bridal, Wicked and Craig, 9 to 10 ounce, just so you know. The second option is kind of the same thing, cut straps, but offer like a kit. Hear me out, like a firefighter radio strap kit. In other words, you want a burgundy firefighter radio strap. I'll cut you a long enough strap that you can kind of make it yourself, the length, some backing material long enough to glue it together, and all the pieces, the attachment pieces, I'll click them out and I'll put them in the box, including the radio holster itself. So the only thing that you'd have to cut in size is the actual main radio strap, which is nothing. Everything else would be good to go, ready to go. You just got to assemble it and stitch it yourself if you want it stitched, lined and stitched if you want it lined and stitched. And I can sell you that as a kit. Put everything in the box, send it off as a kit, and you're ready to go. Of course, I still have to make a little money on that. So I still have to figure out a price for that. I know that from just doing this for a long time, that making a radio strap costs me anywhere between $40 and $70 in material, because I use, like I said, even the backing material, that might be too high. Anywhere from 40 to 60, somewhere around there is what it costs me. So I'm thinking somewhere I need to make money on that. I can't just break even. So making a kit, and you could follow along with the blueprint videos or the how-to videos, build-along videos that I made to go along with, you know, the radio holster. And I will be making a Firefighter radio strap, a how-to video. So I don't know. What do you guys think about that? I need to get rid of this, and there's some other 5-ounce stuff that I have down there that I need to get rid of as well. So just need your ideas on that. But other than that, stay tuned for 2021. I'm really going to focus on this business, try to focus on what sells. YouTube's still going to be the same, organic. I'll put whatever I'm working on that week, and I figure it'll be a good, you know, how-to video or whatever, or build video. I'll do all that. It's not a big deal. But I have 2 videos in the pipeline. One is how to saddle stitch leather, and the other one is a shop tour, right? So let me know which one you want to see next. That'll be coming up this Friday. So guys, let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this, and also what video you want to see next. Do you want to see the how to saddle stitch video, or you want to see the shop tour coming up this Friday? Let me know. That's all I got for you. I'm going to go edit this video. I'll be really pissed off if this video is actually a lot nicer than the really expensive camera I just bought. I would be pissed off. But it is what it is. All right. God bless you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.
Push the button and then turn it on.
Bye.